Welcome to the Unity House. Come on in. How's it going, beautiful people? This is probably one of the busiest places on campus. Students are really engaged in amazing conversations. Students call this place in general a home away from home, because the amount of students who participate here, we needed to expand to better accommodate them. As we expand the place, we expanded the place to increase our outreach and to involve more students in the beautiful things that are happening at the Unity House. If our students need help, we're here. If our students need a space to engage, we're here. This is my office. Alejandro Martinez, the Associate Director of the Unity House. Students recognize the kind of support he brings and the kind of individual he is, and so he's in high demand. So I want to introduce you to our backbone. Students call her Mama Donna because she cares and she's really served more than an administrative assistant. And this beautiful space you see is Unity Park. This is where the whole campus come and bond as a community. We make sure we provide the level of support students need so that they can focus on what they come here to do, which is to excel.